Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm super excited. I am going to show you how to prepare smoked herring. That's right, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. And those are the ingredients I will be using. Smoked herring fish, Scottish bell peppers, lime, thyme and parsley, onion, bell peppers, green onion, tomatoes, avocados for garnishing, paprika, complete seasoning, extra virgin olive oil. Now I am going to clean the fish. I let it soak for more than 2 hours because smoked herring is very salty, guys, and I'm going to clean it with lime juice and sour orange. Take your time to remove as much as possible bones you can. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now I'm finished cleaning the fish. I'm going to set it aside and dice the vegetables. Don't forget to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. You can also decide the size you want your vegetables to be. You don't want it to be too small or too big because when you saute your vegetable, the size will decrease. Now I'm done with the vegetables. I'm going to drizzle some oil, reduce the heat to medium high. I am going to add the vegetable first to let it saute for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add the fish. Next, I'm going to add a pinch of paprika and complete seasoning. I'm going to give it a good mix. As you can see, I did not add any water, but if you want to, you can add a little bit of water. And if you want it to be on the crispier side, remove the seeds from the tomatoes. All of that is just the natural juice from the vegetables. And there you have it, smoked herring fish. I'm going to serve that with green banana. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.